Fix printer error code 0x00000040 in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Check if the relevant services are running. Windows services are mandatory for some of the functionality to be operational. For example, Windows Update and Bits services ensure that the update process proceeds without any issues. In this case, you should ensure the following. If these services are running, right-click and select Restart. If these services are not running, double-click to open Properties. Under Startup Type, pick Automatic. Click Start, Apply, and OK. Fix 2. Restart the print spooler service. Fix 3. Repair damaged system files. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all commands, restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, fix 4. Run the troubleshooter. Fix 5. Reset your internet connection. Sometimes, the reason for the 0x00000040 printing error might be a poor internet connection. You can try resetting it as follows.